Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Diana with Diala Treats. I know it's been a while since I posted anything, but I'm really excited to show you how I made some strawberry cheesecake macarons. First, I made the macaron shells using my Italian method recipe, which you can find on my website. It's an ebook and I'll link it down in the description also. I will also link my beginner-friendly French macaron recipe in case you're not comfortable with the Italian method or you haven't tried it before. I do have a beginner recipe for the macaron shells. I'll link that in the description also, and you can find it on my blog. For these macarons, I used the new gel collection by the Sugar Art. If you followed me for a while now, you know that I swear by their colors. They're my favorite and I really don't use any other brand. If you want to try them, you can shop at thesugarart.com and you can use code DIALATREATS for 10% off your purchase. I'm not going into detail about the macaron shell process. This video, I want to focus on the filling, which is the strawberry cheesecake. It's actually one of my favorite recipes ever, and when I was taking orders, it was my most sold flavor. So I'm really excited to share the recipe with you guys, and I do hope that you try it out. I haven't been baking for a few reasons. The main one is that I wanted to take a break from posting, and honestly, this break has been so good, especially since at the time that I decided to take a break, my niece was born. And my niece is just the cutest, calmest baby ever, the most gorgeous baby ever. So I've really just been enjoying spending time with her. And my sister's my best friend, so having a baby version of her is just amazing. During this time, I've also been having an internal battle with myself. I've been trying to eat healthy and work out and set a plan that I can stick to, but it's really hard sometimes. And this year I was officially diagnosed with PCOS, and it's taken me a while to adjust and feel good about myself. It's hard for me to focus on my baking when I'm not feeling so hot, but I am working on it, and here we are with this video. I can't guarantee that I'll be posting back to back, but there are other videos that I want to make before the year is over. If you have any ideas of what you want to see me post, then just let me know in the comments. But yeah, I just wanted to give you a little background as to why I haven't been really posting. But back to the video, the star of the show, the strawberry cheesecake filling. One key thing to remember with this filling is that you have to have the cream cheese and the butter at the same temperature. If you have them at different temperatures, the mixture is going to curdle and you're going to get a lumpy filling. I like to make mine straight out of the fridge, so as soon as I take out the butter and the cream cheese, I start beating them together to form this combined mixture. Make sure not to overmix because you can end up with a curled mixture. So the butter and the cream cheese, you want to mix them until just combined. After you've got them combined, then you can sift in the powdered sugar. Make sure to sift the powdered sugar, that way you don't end up with any lumps of sugar in the filling. Once you've added the powdered sugar, slowly combine together and make sure to scrape down the sides of the bowl just to make sure that all of the sugar gets incorporated. I like to add a little bit of strawberry extract, but you can add strawberry puree or crushed strawberries. It's really up to you. You should end up with a smooth and pipeable filling. Once you've got it to this consistency, transfer it over to a piping bag and keep it in the fridge until you're ready to fill your macarons. The longer that the filling sits at room temperature, the softer it's going to get. I keep my filling in the fridge until my macaron shells have completely cooled down. Then I pipe a ring around the shell. I leave a little well in the center so that I can add some cut up strawberries. I like to use fresh strawberries for the center because sometimes strawberries are not super sweet, so the tartness of the strawberries go really well with the sweet and creamy strawberry cheesecake filling. You can make variations with the cream cheese filling. You can omit the strawberry extract and add a different type of extract and maybe put a different fruit in the center. You can get creative with this. With my videos, I always want you guys to see the way that I make things, but also for you to think on how you can change them and how you can make the recipe to your liking or make it better. Be gentle when you put the other shell on top of the filling. If you press down too hard, you're going to squeeze out the filling from the sides. And what I like to do is the shell that I'm putting on top, I like to press it with my thumb to make a little well or a little space so that when I press it on to the topping, the filling doesn't push out too far, if that makes sense. And there you have it, beautiful, delicious, fresh strawberry cheesecake macarons. I really hope that you guys try out this recipe because I'm telling you, it is so good. And if you do try it out, please let me know in the comments. Let me know if you have any questions. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.